Had you attended event? Anyone? Who all in college? Had you attended any
Yes,
event
sir.
in college?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
What
college
type of
fest.
events you all attending? Yeah.
Sir, college fest. Teachers Day, Children's
Call.
Day,
Yeah.
Viskara
all
Puja,
type
Saraswati
of a date.
Puja, and
So
Sir,
and that
yeah.
और क्या था ये?
1 second. I forget. Abhishek, had you done that code? He is silent. Sure, means
hello.
he had not done. Yeah, Abhishek, had you done the code?
Yes,
Okay, share
yes,
your
sir.
screen. Network issue.
सर वही डेटा खत्म हो गया, रिचार्ज किया है।
यूक्रेन के लड़ाई में लोगों का लॉस हो रहा है, डेटा ही खत्म है। ओके,
पता नहीं किसकी
सो
कॉल देखिए सर।
okay, so whatever event we had means attended, like in college, mostly what type of events they are means they are organizing periodically. In college, what event they are organizing periodically? Any idea?
Yeah, sir. But how can I share, sir?
How you can share? मतलब periodically, what type of event they are organizing always? No idea. Annual day. It's coming in 1 year, correct?
I think another, sir.
What another? Dharmender, are you available? Or you are in Russia or Ukraine? Where you are?
I am India, sir.
Then be careful.
Yeah, okay, sir.
If you by mistake you reached Ukraine and Russia, then I don't know where you will be. So please be careful.
Pakistan.
Okay, so see, mostly in college we are organizing like a function like annual day, then many type of a paper presentation, then many type of symposium, different types of image. Those all events they are organizing periodically, correct? Like year by year, or otherwise some symposium and something is there, then they will do. So they will do that all the things periodically. So same things we going to do here. So we going to learn today event. Okay, so what means the event in our case? Our case also same thing. Can anyone tell me how we can create any function who will change the color fast? I not want to waste more time. Speak. Oh my god, nobody is speaking.
Yes, sir. Right. Function. My event.
Same thing is happening in our manager meeting. Nobody just speaking, manager will tell. Yeah, so function change color. I want to change color.
Change color.
Approach.
Sir, with parameter or not, sir?
One
One
second.
parameter.
Yeah, we can go with parameter. Approach is there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Approach. You have internet issue.
No, sir.
Mic issue.
No.
You have any issue? No issue. Then why you not speaking? Speak. Okay. So I want some function name. Okay. That will change the color. Anything we can write the code. Go with the parameter. That will be fine. Don't means write directly hard coded value. That will not good. Yeah. So color. I want text color. One argument
Yes.
I taken. That it to be. And take another argument text itself. Fine. Now write that other logic. What we will write?
Sir, let
Okay. Sweta,
color.
please speak. Shivani, if you finished your lunch dinner,
No, sir.
then you
No, sir.
can start.
I am taking my dinner.
Okay. So color you taken. Fine. Color equal to
Text.
Sweta. Sweta, Praful, all guys, please. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Text.
Text color.
Next.
background color sir, let background color.
Man, I taking
Yes,
two
sir.
argument.
Yes sir, yes sir, sorry for that. Text color sir.
The color bit already taken. This variable, see this.
Sir, only
First
text
variable,
we take.
yeah, first variable, this color already you taken. You assigned this one, correct or not?
Later, you can take one text, sir, also.
Also not. That I have to take. That you have to speak.
Text is equal to text.
See one thing. If you will not speak, I will continue write. Okay, I will not wait this much. It will be your loss. Okay, so I assigned this to both variable to some variable. Correct. Next line. I have to pass this thing to the HTML. So what I will do?
Document.
Take
Document.
document dot get element by ID.
Document dot get element
ID.
by ID. And what is the ID name? Let's verify. That is a demo. Fine. Demo. Next. Dot.
Inner dot
Inner
HTML.
Dot styles. Dot styles.
E
Styles, sir.
Okay, let's take HTML first. Inner HTML equal to
Text.
text
Text. And
Text
the
text dollar.
sign, dollar.
Text dollar. Fine. Let's verify whether we getting output or not. What are you thinking? We will get output.
No, sir. First call the
Because
function.
we are not calling, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So we have to call the function. So how to call the function? Tell me the steps.
Sir,
change color.
write change
Function.
color parenthesis semicolon.
Change color, parenthesis, semicolon. Fine. Is this okay?
Yes sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Go to. If output will not come, then I will show you. And I know that output will not come.
Because you're not giving in value in. Yes, sir.
Then who will
We can
tell?
use on a,
Sir,
we
One
can
second.
use
inside function called take. Yes, sir. Pass some argument.
Red
Yeah.
and blue.
Okay,
Yes.
wait 1 second. We not passed the value. Let's see to be. Go to debug mode. Let's verify what is the problem. What error you getting in console? The server responded with a status for not found, that is favicon icon. Let it to be some website there giving error. Okay, let's debug that code. This much code we have. Add the breakpoint. Everyone know this, how to add breakpoint or not? After this, what I have to do? After adding breakpoint, what I have to do?
Reload.
Reload the page. So reload. Okay. Now our breakpoint came. Let's see what output we are getting. So where is the next? Yeah, this one. A step over. Do this. Next, what value you got there? Text equal to
Undefined.
undefined. So we want the value, means there is some mistake. Correct? What mistake? Means this text have to provide the value because it is coming from somewhere as a argument. Correct or not? This both is argument. So what we will do? We will pass the value. What value we have to pass? We have to pass some value. Let's pass something. SCHOOL school event. Fine. Now also we done mistake. We had passed only one argument. Let's verify again. Let's reload. Let's see. So always do that debugging mode. Means do the debugger. Okay. Now I start that execution. Click that. Now go to next. Means I step into. Let's see. So what happened? What value is there? Had we got value?
Text
Please
color.
speak. Don't be silent. Otherwise,
sir.
JavaScript will be in the silent mode. So see, we got the school event. Put the cursor. Now we getting the value, a school event. What about the text color? It's no any value because we had not passed here. Correct or not? So now we will pass the
Yes.
color name. So let's pass the color name red, red. Now save. Here we passed two value, correct? Here we passed two value, and in argument also be receiving two value. This is like process of passing the value, and this is here we are receiving the value, correct or not? So let's reload that again. Amardeep, you know the debugging mode? This one, how to debug the code? Okay, so move next. Again, go with the, see, any option you can use. Okay, but try to get regarding each one, what each doing. So go next. Now, what value you got? We got a text equal to a school event, text color equal to red. Means now we are receiving both value, correct? So see, we getting that. Previously, what value I was getting there?
Undefined.
Undefined. But now it's came some value. Means now it's working somewhat correct. Because text here it's coming something, then color. So let's see, check here. Where is the text? Text it came a school event. Means now output have to come. So let's go next. See, if you will click on this line also, then also it will work. Okay. This is the same thing. So we got the output. Clear or not? So this way we can check our output. So what I done? I taken the value. Next, what was the pending? What was the pending?
Sir, text color pending, sir.
Tell the line sentence. Document dot.
Document dot get element by ID.
Next,
Dot style.
Dot style.
dot style.
Dot color.
Go with background color.
Background color.
Background color equal to
Green.
what? Green,
White.
Text
White,
color,
sir.
sir.
white,
Red, sir.
red.
Yes,
Sir, text color, sir.
And who will take this one?
taken. Sir, place of that.
What? This variable. Color correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Sir, in
color.
place.
Then what you taking, Sweta? What you telling, Sweta?
Yeah, sir, I confused that thing.
Don't confuse. So now again debugger mode started. Okay, let's verify. So what you thinking? Here two values are passing from argument, correct? One value is a school event, and what is another value? That is red, correct? So here it have to come one a school event and one value be to red. Fine. Go next. We got a school event in the text, correct or not? Go next. We got the color, text color red. Fine. Means the color came red and the text dollar came the school event. Fine. Go next. We got the output there. Yeah, fine. Yeah. Okay. So go next. Next is this one. We got the output. Correct. But then also it's a somewhat inside the code is going on. Completely you have to finish. Okay. You not have to wait that you got the output. You have to complete. Clear? So this way you have to check by debugging mode all time. Don't think that coding, if you have to learn, open console, open debugging mode and debug the code. But what I want, I not want it to be pass text color, means text and the color both same time. I wanted to make separate function, one for the text, one for the color. How I will make? Tell me, anyone. Means we are passing now one value, correct? Remove this, take from data from the user itself. And tell me how we can pass a separate function. Who will tell? We not
Yes, sir.
want-
We pass also in separate name and ID, sir, in HTML, sir.
No,
For
we
the
want
text.
with the we want with the separate function itself. I not want in one function. What the question?
No,
Now-
sir, not yet.
Okay, here we are taking the text color, text.
Yeah.
Here we taking the color. We are
Yeah.
mixing that property, correct?
Yeah.
I want one function for just text, one function for color. Got it?
Sir, yeah, okay, sir. So
Yeah.
you only pass, sir, inside the text, sir.
Okay.
In
Let it to be
12
take from
numbers.
the prompt. PROMP.
Yeah, okay.
Just speak now. If you not speaking means ENTER enter text.
Enter
Okay.
text.
And a color. Remove this and take prompt. Now everybody is aware with the function. If anybody is still having any issue regarding the function, tell me first. Anybody is still having issue in function? Full, Roshan, Shivani, anybody having, then just tell openly. Don't
No, sir. No,
hesitate
sir.
Yes,
that others
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir. This time
don't
nothing.
think that others know.
yes,
Don't
I
do not
have.
like. Who is telling?
Yeah,
Lalan,
yeah.
had you
Prompt,
practiced? Had you
prompt, I don't.
practiced? What?
Yeah, I practice, but I don't know prompt. What is prompt?
Had
Where I
you
will
attended
use.
had you attended a study class?
Yesterday, no.
Then first check, go through the video.
Okay.
Yesterday we had covered these all. Intercolor. Okay, fine. Intercolor. So now see. Reload that. Yeah. So intertext came, correct? So see now, if you will put cursor over this thing now, you will get undefined. Okay. But if you will pass the value, you will get that value. So what value I passing? LIVE. Fine. Press the color. Means now see it came in debugger mode. Okay. So check the value. Be getting that LIVE. Now it gone in the next prompt. So see that Lalan, when to use it prompt, when if we want some data not to be hard coded, if we want the data to be taken from the user side, okay, means a dynamic. We don't know what user will pass. We want some input to take from the user. That time we will use the prompt. Got it? And if we have to show the output to user, we will use alert as a prompt. It will come. Means alert, you know, that pop-up. Okay.
Yeah.
Otherwise we can hard code the value. See here, we had hard coded this a school event and read, but we not want hard coded. See in this function, is there any value? No value, because
No.
now see output we are getting LIVE, means now output will be leave LIVE and color whatever we will pass, means that become dynamic. Okay. So next I start again next debugging mode. It again asks the intercolor. So which color? Red. Any color you can pass. That's not no any issue. So see that where is the output? Okay. Where is the button? Okay. So be getting that next. We got the output. Got it. We got LIVE red. Now see, I showing you by passing another color. Go with another text. Okay. So text. HEA PER header text. I passed a header text. Fine. Go next and enter color. I will pass a yellow. Okay. And now see what you got in the text. We get a header text and we get color as a yellow. Now execute the code. Go next. Header text became, it came yellow because see as line by line executing. See, as it's executed line by line, suddenly we got the output, because once it executed this line, then only be getting the color part, means text part. When we executed this line, then only it came color one. Okay, move next. Got it? So this way we can get dynamic value. Clear? Anyone having any issue now? See, up to now we are doing function only. Whatever we know, we are modifying different thing. But now I want one thing. I not want to be this as a change color. I want this as take user value. I make that function, means I rename that function as a user value. Fine. I want one more function. What should be name? Name will be take color. In C, what I will do here in this section, I will take only value, and in this section I will pass only color. Tell me which all code I will copy from this to that
The right
next function.
function na first, then the take color.
This is
Line
the
number
function.
20.
This is function or not? Here we will
Yes.
pass logic.
Yes, sir.
Here we correct. See this block. This is function,
Right,
and
sir.
now here we will write the logic. This is not function call. Function call how?
So it
TAKE.
no, so it is not compulsory for right function take user value like line number 12.
Oh, sorry, I forgot that. This was just a sample actually. You
Yeah.
have to tell function keyword.
Yes, sir.
Because in TypeScript we not writing this function itself. That's why actually. Okay, so now we will write the logic. Tell me what all code we will copy from the top. Line number first, can we copy?
No, sir.
14.
Line number second.
Yeah.
Okay,
Line
you
number
want me
14,
second.
line number 17.
Okay, next line number
17.
17. Okay, line number 17 means now both code got separate. Correct. This code only taking the value, and this code only taking the color. This thing I told to do from your side. Okay, next, when you executing this thing, and it will execute separate now, because both function calling is there. So see, it asked a text color, enter text, give that. Who is on unmute? Asred. You had not seen, but it came separate. Let's say you want go with the console. Then what we want, I will
Sir,
show you.
change ID name.
So let it to be. I showing one thing. Just wait. Who is this? Abhishek Sinha started call. Okay. Who have HTML issue, they can go and join that call. Anyone who is having issue in the CSS? Shivani, you have issue in CSS and HTML, you can join that call.
Sir, okay, bye, sir.
Yeah, bye. Okay, so see, we will check that. What are you thinking? Which function will call first? Here, one function call line number 17, one function call line number 27, and this total are the function. Correct? This is the function, and this is function, and this is function call, and line number 17 is function call. What are you thinking? Which will be called first?
Line 17.
Line number 17. Okay. Abhishek, what are you thinking? Which will be first? Approach.
Line number 17, sir.
Why not 27?
Line by line execution, sir. First,
Okay. So let's say start the execution. Let's look over that. Which line got executed? Line number 17 got executed. Now tell me which line it will move. Please just speak fast.
Line
Which
30.
27, sir.
Sir, 12,
27.
13.
One second. Who telling 27? Now it will move to 27. Correct? Okay.
No, sir.
Let it.
Inside the sir section, each function
there is
call a 17, then is gone to line number 13.
Yeah, that. Okay, one second. Why it asking color? What happened? Something mistake? Wait. I will reload again. Yeah. So you have to pass the text color. Pass the text color. Something. Oh my God, this execution. Wait. I will again start this. Stop this. Okay. Now I start. So look over that complete execution process, how it's executing. Okay. Yeah. So reload this. Okay. So line number 17 got executed first. Go next line. Which one I can? A step over, a step into. This is a step out. This is a step. Which one I can go? Okay, let me go with step over. So go next. Where this came? It came line number 13. Okay, let's execute. So it asking enter text. Correct. So pass the value. Header text. Fine. Press now OK. Next, which line? Next
14.
will be line number 14. So we had pass enter text, header text. So see the value came. Fine. Go next. Okay, after 14,
27.
which will be?
27.
After 14, you're telling 27. What others? Will it 27? Approach?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, let's see. So now it gone 27 because one function call completed. Correct. One function call completed. Then it moved to the next function call because once it came from this looping curly braces, then it moved to the next function call. Okay. Okay. So go next. This one. Now tell which line number next. So it will ask for the prompt for the color. So let's click and now it asking for the color. Pass that color. So see next line number 23. It gone for the style background color. Next, then it will go somewhere. Now it came to see line number. It reached to line number 27. Means execution completed. Now it will go to where? It see on the which file it came. It came in HTML file. And why? What it going to do here? Inside a script, we had written something. Okay, code injected with live server. We are using live server. So due to that, something code automatic it running. Okay, we not have to worry regarding this where it going, but we will outside. Now we got the output. Who else? Who still not having idea how execution is going on? Anyone? Everybody got the idea.
Yes, sir.
Now I want only. And now I want one thing. Why I calling this color separately? I want once this execution completed, that time itself automatic. It have to call the second one. How I can do?
Sir, we can write
Sir, write
call anywhere, sir.
Okay.
inside or
Swet,
take user value.
where line number? Tell me line number.
Line number 14 after.
14 after means here. Fine.
Yes.
Okay. Now save. What are you thinking? How the execution will start? Tell me first. Which will be first line?
Sir, 18.
Line number 18 will be first. Next. From 18, where it will move?
Sir, 11. 12.
Line number 18 will be first. Fine. Then it will call this function take user value. It will call to take user value. See, now we can easily find out where it will move and how we can identify which function is that one. So press control click and put the cursor. So see, clickable, click this. You came here. So this function will start execution. Once it reached up to here, up to this line, what you thinking? What it will do? After when it will reach here, after this, tell me next step. What will be?
Sir, it's call the take color.
It will
function.
call a take color. Okay, fine. So we reached on the take color. Okay. Once it completed up to this line, what will happen? Praful, what will happen after this line?
Sir, color can be in
And
text.
do one thing. Keep paper
Background
pen.
color.
Okay. And whatever you are speaking, just note down. You told that this will be a step first, then second, third, like that. Keep that. We will verify with the help of debugger. Yeah, Praful, what are you telling? After this line
Sir.
number 22 means this function. After this, where cursor will move?
Sir, 21.
It will move to 21. 21. This completed already. That Shivani told. After this take color, it will move to this function, take color function. Correct?
Yes.
It will reach this line. It will execute this line. Then it will move to next line. After this, Shweta, where it will move? Approach. Where it will move after this line?
Sir,
The function take user value function, sir.
That answer will
It's
be executed.
yes, sir.
1 second. Go one by one. Yeah, Shweta, first go ahead.
After completion of 22 line, the answer
Yeah.
is visible in browser.
Answer will be visible in browser. I want where the cursor will move. Means now cursor is on
Maybe it repeats will take answer.
where it will repeat. Means after line number 23, this curly braces is there, correct?
Yes, sir.
After this line, where the cursor will move. Because cursor had reached here and suddenly he got some function call, correct?
Yes, yes, sir.
So it moved to take color. It moved to take color, this one. And then it started line by line execution, this one. Correct or not? So
Yes.
it came here. After this, where cursor will move? After line number 23, where it will move next?
Maybe 18.
Completed.
Maybe. Okay.
In HTML
Take
case.
user value function, sir.
Sir, 22.
Okay, Roshan, what are you telling?
Take user value function, sir. Line number
Take user value, line number
11, I think, sir.
11. Why it will move again here? Because it had already means completed
18,
up to
18.
here.
18.
Abhishek Srivastav, line number 24. Okay, keep that line number 24. We will come. Yeah, you telling 18.
18,
Why it
sir.
will come again here? Because it already completed. Because this is the first line. Keep in mind.
Sir, take color
Just
function,
wait.
it will take, sir, in first function, sir. Firstly,
You know
execute
where it will
this
come.
function.
I telling you. Wait. Just first keep that. After that we'll verify. Shivani Sinha, what you thinking? Nothing.
Yes, sir.
Where it will move after this line?
Sir,
After line
actually,
number 23,
yes, sir.
where it will move? The cursor will be where?
So line number 15.
15. Okay. And after that? After line number 15?
Sir, it get executed. Then, sir, line number 18.
After line number 15, it will move to line number 17, this bracket. Okay. Then it will came out.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes.
Because, see, I will show you. Because, see what happened. This line execution I started first. Because this is outside. Correct or not? This is outside. So this execution will start first or not? Out of this complete function. See, 1 second. This is your function. This is your function. Where is function called? Line number.
18, sir.
Line number 18. So line number 18 will start first process. It started. It came in this function. After that, what happened? It gone line number this one. Execution completed. Then it moved to line number 13. Then it moved to line number 1 second. Then it will move to line number 15. Okay, line number 15. Suddenly, when it reached 15, it got the function call. What will happen? It will move to function. Where is the function? Function is line number 20. Means execution started this function. Now tell me, had cursor came out from this line number 16?
No.
Inside this function, cursor had reached line number this one. Suddenly it got function call. It not came out from this curly braces. Correct or not? Means cursor is
Yes.
still inside this function and it completing all the task, because once it will complete, then only cursor is coming out. But now suddenly it got one function call, that is take color. So it came in the take color. It will complete this execution completely. And once it will come out, suppose here also any function call, suppose that get data. Suppose get data. Suppose some function call. What will happen? Any idea? Suppose just take a function is there.
Data.
Yeah. Suppose that this is your get data function. Okay. So what will happen? When it reached this line, it will call to get data. Means this line execution started. Means now cursor not came out this one, line number 24, because when it reached here, suddenly he got the another task. Suppose that you are doing any activity in your college and once not finished, suddenly you got the another activity. Once you complete the second, third, fourth, fifth, then only you be reversing order, like reverse order you can tell. So it got the get data. Okay.
Sir,
Suddenly, yeah.
sir, after 23, he's gone to line number 16. Then he come in line number 25.
Just 1 second. Give me 1 second. Yeah. Oh my God. Why you came? Now what you telling? Just give me 1 minute. So see,
Sir,
once it will come, just 1 second. Once it will reach here, suddenly he got the another function call. Correct? So it will complete this function call execution. What it got here? There is alert. Once it will complete this. Okay, line number 30. Once it complete, who had call here? By which function call it reached here in this function? What was the function call name? Means function name. What?
24,
Get
sir.
data.
24.
Get
Correct.
data, sir.
Means after this, what will happen? It will again go back to get data.
Yeah, sir.
Correct. It will go to here because from here it had reverted. Means from there it diverted somewhere. It came here, and after that it will again came this line, then this execution, this line. Correct or not? This curly braces. It will came out from here. Correct. Up to here, any doubt?
No, sir.
Next, tell me, who had a call inside this function? Who had call?
Take color, sir.
Take a color.
Line number 20,
Means
15.
this was the function. Means function call line number 15 was the function call. So after completing this execution, means it coming reverse order. First, after completing this, it had came to the caller. Who was caller? Caller was get data. Once it completed this execution, who was the caller of this function? Take a color was the caller. So where is the caller? Caller is here. Correct. And once it completed this, it will go to the next line. And who is the caller for this function? Who is the caller?
Take user value.
Take user. That is line number 19. Means who is the caller for this? Anyone had calling this one? No. This was the starting one. Correct. Because all are nested function calling inside. But this take user is the outside. Clear or not? So let's go to Chrome, means debugger mode. And just verify who is calling and just take care. Once you clear this concept, means now you got all the idea. So let's say run all the debugger mode. Get data is there, color also add here, then add here also. Fine. Yeah. So let's start a bit. Let me pop up side. Okay. Where is that? Okay. So who is the first? Who is the first? Please speak. Take user value.
Line number
Correct. Go to next. Next, who will be? See, before the output, predict that. Line number 12. Okay. Let's see. It came in line number 12. Now it asking text, enter text. So enter the text value. Enter the value. So HEADER header line text text something. Go next. Who is the next? Next line. Next line 13. Okay. Which will be next? Next will be
Line 14. 15.
line number 14. Line number 14. Nothing is there. So it will go to line number 15. That is again the function call. Correct? Now see, it reached there. After that, which function will call? Line
Sir,
number
20.
Line number 21.
Line number 21. Okay. So it will move inside 21, but it will reach to 20.
20,
Is that
yes.
function?
Sir.
So let's see it going inside 21. Correct? Because we can't put a breakpoint with the that function name. Means with the function inside that we can. So it reached 21. Which will be next? Next line.
22.
22. Now it asked the color because enter color is there. So pass now blue. Okay. Let's move next. Next line, which will be it reached 22. Next will be
24.
24 means there is again function call. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Get data. It will again search that function. Where it will move now?
28.
28. So let's see 28. So next will be what will be the output next? If I will execute this line, what will be output?
25.
What we get the output? We will get any output in the browser. What is code there? Alert. Means we will get the alert. Correct? So let's see. We got the alert. Hello from the alert. Correct? Now see that now it will start the reverse process because we completed the last function call. Now see the curly braces started. Means curly braces reached. Now tell me where it will go. Which line number?
25.
25. 24. And then
24. Yeah, means 25.
Fifteen,
It will
sir.
go to 20. It will go. Who telling 15?
Sir,
Approach.
approach, sir.
15. It will reach 15. How?
Sir, it
What is-
call from here, sir. Yes, sir.
From where it
In
called?
line-
It called from get data. Correct?
Yes, sir. Line number 24.
Yeah. So it will reach to line number 24 up to execution process. What happened? Means when see that get data and that line number 25 it is reached there means who was the caller it reached that line means now it going in the reverse process. Now tell me which line after this 25 where it will go?
16.
16, sir.
Line number 16 because the function is a text color. Now it coming out from the text color it will move that line. Click this. We reached the 16 because that function had a call to inside that one. Correct? Means a text color was the caller for the next function. So now execution finish. It came out. It reached HTML because of that live server loading. It will go out. Yeah, it execution completed. We got the output. Clear? Or anyone having a still doubt? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Anyone who have doubt that how the means line by line code execution is going on and these all things. Now I think you all are familiar how we are debugging. Correct or not? If not, then just practice. Then you will get idea. Okay. So this I was telling you regarding your means code, whatever you had written. Take another function for function means a color and take another for the text value. So make separate function. There is the get data. Fine. Okay. So what we will do? Yeah. So we was on the event. So now what we was doing? We was calling that function without anything. Okay. What I want to call function on some event. So in JavaScript, event are like you are clicking button. So that is one type of event. that is event name, that is on click. Got it? Wait, H1, yeah, event. So there is one event that is button click. Means what I want to call that output on the button event, means button click, that is event. Wait, click me. As like in dustbin, you will see that use me somewhere, that is written. So now how you will do that? So the event name, that is on click. For the button, what are the functionality of button? On click, because when we are clicking, that time it working. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
When we are clicking, that time it working. So on click. Next, what you have to do? On click, suppose that annual function is there. Okay. Suppose annual function. So on annual function, what you will do? Means annual event is there. Then what you will do? You will perform some task, like some dance competition will be there, food will be there, snacks will be there. These all things functionality. Correct or not? So these all will be like functions. So what is the event? Event name is annual event. As like that, what we will do? Here we passed the event. Which event you want? Mouse click. When you putting cursor, we had is look over in CSS. When we was moving cursor, color was changing. What was that property?
Hover.
Over. Correct or not? So that was like mouse over. Okay. So there is a property also, mouse over. So we will look over the on click. On click, what you want? You have to pass the function name. So what I want? This take user value. We not want to call directly. So what I want? I want only when user will click that. What user will click? User will click the button. Means what I done? Whatever function call we had written, we had copied that function call. Means we had cut the function call and we had passed inside the event. We had passed with the event. Correct? Got it? What we done?
Yes,
Whatever
sir.
function you had done, same thing. Just we had added one line of code, that is on click, and after that we call the function call. And now save and run the code. Now see. Execute that. Go in debugger mode. Now see. Console is there. Sorry. Source is there. And add. And one thing. If you will think that it will take HTML, I don't know whether it will take or not. I have no idea. I think maybe it have to take. Okay. Where is 150? Yeah, fine. So now click me. Press the button. Let's see what is happening. Where it gone? When we click the button, what happened? This function had called. Correct or not? Take user value. And suddenly it reached which function? Take user value. Correct? See this. My cursor is in the prompt. So now next move to next. We got the enter text. So give the value. Whatever. Second. Yeah. Then move next. Then enter color. Give that red. Go next. Then again give. We got the color. Had you got idea what happened or not? So we had added one line of code. That's it. On click. And inside we had to call the function. That's it. Function call we had passed. Anyone having any issue? Tell me. So this is one mouse event. Whatever we know function, how we can write function, that same thing. Function call also we know, that same thing. But now we are adding with the event, different event. So this is one event, click me. What are you thinking? If we will pass on the paragraph or this thing, whether it will work or not? On click. Let it to be this one. I will add another function call. Wait. For verification, means for checking purpose. Now we know that how we can create the function and how we can write. So right here ALERT, alert. Anybody feeling sleepy? Is feeling sleepy?
No, sir.
Who has spoken loudly means sure he is feeling sleepy. That is the thing. चोर के दाढ़ी में तिनका, समझ में आया? अभिषेक,
सर डायरेक्ट क्यों नहीं बोलते हैं सर? इनडायरेक्ट बोल रहे हैं.
वही पक्का है जो भाई पहले. श्वेता, आर यू फीलिंग स्लीपी? And see one thing, where we have to pass that.
No, sir.
on
She
click.
now in TCS employee, sir.
Oh my God.
She does.
She will not sleep. See one thing, where we passing these all on click and these all things as like attribute with HTML, correct or not? Attribute. Everybody know or forget?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You know attribute or it over?
Yes, sir. No, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, means still
Like
that is
okay,
in mind. Okay, so what I done, I testing whether it's working or not. What I done, I had added on click where alert, one function call is that. See that this is function, just normal function, alert success message, that's it. So I added on click. Will you confuse this alert not correct? Let me add this something. ALERT, alert, TEXT, alert text. Because I know the problem of the fresher, they will think that is the function name. This is function call. So what I added on click, I passed the function call, correct? So what you thinking? If we will click on this paragraph, then that time it have to call. We have to call this alert, correct or not? So let's verify whether it will work or not. I don't know. So it worked. Got it? We getting the alert message. Fine. Whenever you will click, it will work. But this is not the correct event because button have only click property. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
See, everybody is sleeping. Only Praful is not.
no, sir, I'm
The
also not.
process of this is the process
Sir,
of
हम लोग भी
verification.
जिंदा है.
हम कहाँ बोले कि ऊपर चली गई? ओ भाई, रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है, ये मुझे मरवाएगी, पक्का फंसवा देगी, इन्हीं ने बोला था कुछ. बानी देखो कुछ उटपटांग हरकत मत कर लेना आज की रात कम से कम, क्योंकि आज वीडियो रिकॉर्ड में हो गया है.
No, sir.
मतलब
ये
कि
पता
आप
चलेगा.
Oh my
मना
God,
कर रहे
shut
हैं,
up, sir.
आप मना कर रहे हैं या हिंट दे रहे हैं?
नहीं भाई, हम बोल रहे हैं कि आज के रात मत कुछ
देखिए
करना.
सर, मेरे कुछ चिंतक को.
कल तुम कुछ कर लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. कल मुझे नहीं ब्लेम कर सकती हो, लेकिन आज वो ब्लेम कर देगी कि
सर
जावास्क्रिप्ट के
आपको
प्रेशर
क्रॉप
के
करना
कारण.
पड़ेगा ये ऑडियो सर, मत बोलिए अभी.
जावास्क्रिप्ट के फंक्शन के प्रेशर के चक्कर में कल हेडलाइन बन जाएगा. Okay, so let's move to the next event. What all type of events are? So there is one on click event. Okay, this is like attribute in the CSS. We are writing that. Correct or not? So see, if you have one line of code, you can write directly also on click equal to means see what they had done here. Whatever you are writing inside function, same line of code we are writing inside function or not?
Yes, sir.
See, we are writing document.getElement by id dot inner means demo dot inner HTML equal to something. What it done here? It had written directly. Okay, so we can write means always try to make simple. Simple means write separately. That will be good actually. So this way on click. Fine. So let's see other event. There is one on change event where this will work. Any idea where you will do on change? Anyone? On change where it will work. No idea. Take one form. Okay. Don't take form. Just take one input. That's it. Input type equal to text and write here enter name. Fine. And now you can add property here. Now tell me how I can write one function for the alert purpose itself. Means this one I will call on change method. So see, where is the code on put? So this is your, where is the BR? Oh my God, where it gone? Wait, I will make another HTML file itself. Anybody who is confusing it? Who is that lucky person getting confused? Shweta, are you confusing?
No, sir.
Oh my God, she not confusing. I thought she will confused. Shweta, then when you sharing my, which I had helped 50-50, there was a deal. Okay, don't forget.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Don't tell
will
to
you
others.
please
Okay.
treat your birthday treat? That I will give, sir.
What you telling?
Sir,
This was not. This was not a deal. Okay. Deal was something different.
not for only
50-50.
me, sir, for all members. You give treat, sir.
I was only person who had a help answer. Then we have the deal 50-50. Why others will participate in this case?
Sir,
Nobody
you
will be.
are sir.
I am only the member. That's it. Okay. So see what we done here. We taken one input field, and here I want to show the user something that he had entered some data. Okay. Let's say document dot get element by ID. We had taken some alert success. Fine. What is the function name? Alert text. I will use this function itself. Comment this line of code and take the alert text. Okay. And what is the event which I told? Oh, sorry. Why I writing with alert this one? Yeah. So what is the event? Event name is
Sir,
on change.
on change.
Okay. On change and pass the function. Function call. Is this fine? Anybody confusing this one? What we done? We added the event that is on change. Means when you will change, this function will call. This function will called. Previously we was calling directly. Now if you will write here, it will call directly or not? Tell me. Because there is no anything. Line by line execution, it will get called. But now
Like
we
on
not
click
call.
function.
Yeah. So previously we had added on click function. We now be gone with another function that is on change. Just added and add the text. That's it. Save that. When it will call alert, when we will pass some value, and once you passing putting cursor outside, put that cursor. Got the message? Success. There is no any button. Okay, maybe you will think that button is there, so it will come. There is not the button. There is on change. If you will pray means do anything outside, it will not. Once you put cursor there, if you passed, it gone. Okay. Suppose that I want to change color on change. How I can? Tell me. Any idea? Anyone? What is the
On
ID?
change, sir.
Wait 1 second. Take ID. ID equal to name. Name text text. Fine. This is my ID. What I will do now? Inside alert, we will write that. What was the means? What we will write for the changing color?
Document get element
Document dot get element by ID. What is the ID name? ID name is this one. ID name is this one. Dot a style. Fine or not? Dot and background color. background color and equal to pass some color name red. Now tell me where this output will come.
Alert,
In
sir.
alert, sir. Success message.
In means in alert success message background color will be red, correct?
Yes, sir.
Any others? Look over that. I want the output.
No, sir, in that input section, sir, we fill the document, any
Means you telling
Where we enter the data.
yes,
this will be for the input, okay? Because we had referred this ID, correct? See this, correct or not? So let's see. Pass something, go out, success, background color become red. Got it?
After alert, we can get, sir. Background color red.
And because both line of code is there.
Yeah, sir. Sir, we write alert success in below the line number 16, sir. Below
See
the
that.
line number.
Below line number, you want this one, next line.
15.
Line number 15 means 25.
Yeah, sir. 25.
Dharminder, this is night time, means not that you will speak anything. Anyway, when its success message is coming, that time it get hidden backside. So you can't able to see that. Got it? Dharminder, got this or not?
Yeah, sir.
Anyway,
I got, sir.
yeah. Once you will click that, then only you will get that. Clear? Suppose that I want to take the
Sir.
data. What? Yeah.
Sir, confusion, sir.
What
With
confusion?
background. Sir, background color, sir.
What is the confusion here? Had you practiced function?
Yes, sir.
What you had practiced? What line of code we had written here? Tell me. Where is this ID? What is
This
written
ID,
that name? Yeah. This ID
this
is in
ID.
input field.
Oh, okay, sir. Then got it, sir.
This
It's
input.
in input.
So where? Yeah. So wherever you passing it, going to take care that one. Correct or not?
Sir, I thought
Others say.
this ID in paragraph, so
Okay.
I
No.
confused.
So others, had you got it? What we done? We had taken only one field, that is input, and in input itself we had taken the ID. As like previously, we was taking ID for the text, HTML, H1, H2, anything, paragraph. But here we taken for the ID for the input field itself. So whatever changes, whatever thing you added here, this will be for the part of your input itself. And suppose that you want to text color, you can pass that again the code. Correct or not? Shivani, are you getting? Roshan, Praful,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
any confusion?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Fine. So let's see. We added this one as BLUE. I passed the color as a blue. Now see, you will pass this. After that, text color will be blue and background will be red. Let's see. Correct. Because we had passed the both property there. Now I want whatever user is input inside this value. I want to take that value. Means you can tell form data. Pass here name. And name equal to name itself or user user name. Okay, username. I don't know how I can take that data. How to take data? Anyone having idea?
placeholder data, placeholder.
Placeholder
telling,
data. How can take, sir?
Shweta, not that.
This is not for.
Username on change alert text. Okay. and we will pass here also now. Name value value. See, I don't know whether it will come or not, but I think 50% it will come. On change, here we pass that name value and here we received that. Let's verify. 50-50, it have to come. On change, what happened? Some error came. That's fine. Something came error. Username is not defined. HTML line number 14 and 19.5. This one. Username. Let's see this one. Username is coming. Wait, where is the mistake? It came name. Okay. Name value username. This one is coming there. Remove this. It came username. Second. What it some problem is here itself. I think these have to pass. Dharmender, you have idea what we have to pass there? How to take, so see how to search in Google. What we want to take the value of this input field and pass inside the alert, means on JavaScript. Okay, so how we will take maximum thing completed, this name property giving is so we will search that how to take input field data from HTML to JavaScript. So document dot let's see add-on value. Okay, that is value property. Get element by ID. What it done? See, button click is there. Yeah. So here I passed. Okay. So value equal to it taken Mickey. I not want Mickey. I want this one. So here we will take name property not required. Remove that. We have to take value. Fine. And value equal to something that also not required. No issue. Then button click. That's fine. Then document dot get element by ID dot value. Fine. So remove this also. To the ID, that one. Fine. Write that document dot get element by ID. And what is the ID? And ID is name text dot value name text dot value, then semicolon and let user name equal to. Fine. Copy this username to alert section. It's get fine. Now it have to come. Yeah, it came. come in. So see what we had done. Had you got any idea? Anyone? Shivani, had you got any idea what we done?
Yes, sir. This is like a form
Sir,
with the
value.
putting the value attribute using, and then what we write, and we write and erase. In placeholder, replace the value.
See what we done. I telling you. We take an input field, correct? No issue here. We added one attribute, that is value attribute. Okay. So with the help of value attribute, whatever you will pass this input field, you can receive the value. Got it? Means dynamic value, that is. There is no any hard coded. So whatever you will pass in input, it will give that. How you will receive here? We make one variable. Already we know that this thing, correct or not? We are already making this one. In this line, what we done? Document dot get element by ID. So which ID? Input field
Name
ID.
text.
Input field ID, that is correct. So this ID. After that, what you want? You're not going to do any inner HTML, then background color, then color. No, not a style and those. I want the value. So that's why I taken dot value. Now, why we had not passed like this way? Value equal to this type. Because if you will pass like this, means you are assigning the value to this side. Right side is the value, left side is the variable. Correct or not? Already we had seen. We had discussed that. That equal to right side will be value because assignment operator. Like x equal to 5. Who have x value? X now getting that 5. Correct or not? 5 equal to x. What means this both line? Can you tell me? What means this both line?
Sir,
Shivani?
X assign 5.
Shweta? Yeah. X assign
sir.
5 means this line.
But this is
In
not
this line,
correct, sir.
this line, what is happening? 5 is
Sir, X assign the value of 5.
means x is taking 5, correct?
Yeah, sir.
But what about this line?
Sir, 5 is taking the value of X. Means 5
Correct.
equals to
So
5.
5 is taking x, means
Yes.
that this is a real value, and means according to the written statement, this is the value. Correct or not? Right side will be value, left side will be as like variable.
Yes.
Correct? So same
Yes, sir.
thing here. We not getting the value. That's why we not assign the username in the right side. We had written like this way because this complete statement giving us the value from where? The input field. And who going to hold that? This variable going to hold that value. Correct? This way we will accept all the values from the input field. And after that, what you doing? Once you got the value, you can use wherever you want. Suppose you want to that show the value in the console, you can show that. Remove this. So that in console log, and what is that? User name. Now we will get the value in the console. Now tell me, I want to add one more field, password. How we will do? Just speak.
Enter password, input type equal to password.
Okay, so input, fine, and type equal to password.
Password.
Next,
ID equal
next.
to password
ID
text.
equal to pwd.
Password.
Fine.
PWD
Next.
text. Yeah, okay. Value.
Value
Yeah.
will be main thing. Okay.
On click,
Next.
alert password.
Next, one second. If you want to show something by default during a starting in the value, you can pass. Like here, if you want something, like if you want to pass something, pass that. What I can pass? Suppose you want to pass something, you can pass the value in the value section. See, you getting that field, correct? You getting that value there. 1 second. Pose dev tool. Yeah, you getting that value. And now if you will press this, you will get that output. But here we had written some error. I think something going on. That's why. Let it to be. So value, we not want to pass a hard coded value. Fine. Next, what will be? Next, you have to pass the event. On which event you want? So I want on change event again. So you can add that. So alert text. Now again I will pass the alert text itself. Okay, and save this function and copy this ID. Where is that? Now next line, write that again. Let PWSWORD let password equal to what I will write. Shivani Kumari.
Yes, sir. Document get ID. Good element
Dot.
Get element by ID.
Oh, sorry. ID dot. What is the property? Value. Correct. And value. So what will happen? Value will, I mean, say password value will came on this variable. Correct or not? This variable will store that. So I want to show in console. So username I taken, comma, pass the another one. PASSWORD password. Fine. Let's save and let's verify whether we getting or not. Open console. So let's see. Yeah. So pass that value. I not want this by default value. I want our name. Causal. Then go next. Had you got the value? Once you had changed. See this. Because the event is on change. So that's why we get that value. Now pass the password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Had you got value? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct or not? So as you will pass the event, you will get the value. And see this. This line, last line, console.log. We had added that one. Got it? Had you got idea how to take the value from the input field? How you got idea?
Sir, why we are not getting in console? Why we are not getting separate value like
Value
causal and password 1, 2, 3 in console, sir? Console.
See this line. See this line of code. What is there? It is in a single console. We had not passed in separate console. Got it? If we will
Yes,
pass in separate console, then only the value will come separate. Now this both are combined. I want to write some statement. Let's see. I want to write like means arithmetic symbol. My name, my user ID is where is dollar this one and password is dollar this one. This one. Got it, everyone? Means now you will get this output. Just see how you getting that. Wait, let me reduce this screen. Let me reduce this also. Yeah. So I not want this one. I want this type and password. They see there. My user ID is causal, but password is nothing because same time both function is calling. See that. In both cases, on change, one function is there and in on change, same function is there. That's why it get executed, but second password is empty because we had not still filled this value. So let's pass that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's see. So you got that. My user ID is Kausal and password is something. So this way we can manipulate. Means if you not want that with same, you can manipulate, you can change that. Got it? Got it or not? Remove
Sir,
this
one
or
doubt, sir. Using sir, late username means use the this type in variable name, username, and late password. Change the any name, sir.
yeah, you can. This is variable. Correct or not? Let's say pass X. But see, naming convention should be. That is the thing. That's why be taken like that. Take Y. Fine. Means username will be X. Correct or not?
Yes.
And this will be Y. Correct. Let's save. And here console. Yeah. So let's see. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So whatever value you will pass there means that is variable name just. Who is playing the main role? For getting means connecting input field to my this function, who is playing the lead role? So lead role is
Value, sir.
this value. And here again, we are receiving the value. So this is the main player. Okay. All are just a back. Got it? So this is another function that is on change. So let's look over another next function. Got the idea? Because tomorrow assignment will be to whatever HTML form you had designed while HTML class, you have to get all the data. Means all the form you had filled, radio button, this, that, different things were there. You have to, on button click, you have to take all the, means on not only button click, you can do different operation and you have to take all the data in console. So next will be on change, then mouse over. Let's move this mouse over. So what you were thinking, where this will work, mouse over. v.html. HTML. You can check different scenario and you can think. Okay. If not working, then tell me. We will look over that. But try from your side. Mouse. Beta, are you getting? So tell me how we can create the function.
Hello?
On mouse over, what you want? We will change the color. Okay. So change is change. COLOR color. MOUSEOVER. Oh my god, this much big function. Okay, so I want to change color. Which function, which color I want to change? On mouse over itself. Okay, so pass the ID here itself. So otherwise, I will change the body color. Yeah, I will change the body color. ID BODY body COLOR body color. Fine. So tell me the code for changing the background color.
Yes, sir. Document.getElement by ID.
The document.getElement by ID. Pass ID.
Pass ID.
Dot style dot background.
Okay, so be written the function. Fine. Next will be function call. Correct or not? Where is the issue? It is giving expected. Last one. No.
Sir, we are not using function, sir.
Yeah.
Before,
Correct.
yes.
So I want this on the mouse over. Fine. So let's add the function name. Where? On which? When we moving cursor over mouse over text, that time it have to work. Okay. So what was the property name? What was the event name? Sorry. Event.
So mouse over.
On mouse over. On mouse or what? On mouse over. Yeah. So on mouse over, this is my function which we had written just now. Clear or not? So this one is the function, and let's execute the code. Open with live server. So just 1 second. Yeah. See, so where you will move your cursor, then it will work. Yeah. So when we will move our
On
cursor
mouse
over
over.
this mouse over, okay, that time body color will change because we are targeting the body. Let's move your cursor. What happened? Oh, we had not added that a script.
Yes, sir.
But nobody is speaking. Everybody thinking, let it to be. We will spend 5 minutes at least. Meanwhile, I will sleep. Oh my God. Yeah, okay. Where is the mouse? So see, we moved the cursor. It worked. Fine. See, this way I have to rotate my mouse. Otherwise, it will take that. So put the cursor. Okay, this due to block level element, it will occupy, I think, that complete area. Yeah, complete area it occupying. Got it? So this way. Oh my God. Better stop. Yeah. So this is mouse over. So there are different property. Okay. Mouse over, mouse up, mouse down. Sorry, mouse. Another property is there. Let's see. Verify here itself. On mouse, press. You will get all the functionality. So see, on mouse down, on mouse leave, on mouse leave, the color is something. What we changing? Change color, mouse leave. Let it to be add. LEAVE, leave. Fine, save. Copy this complete line, paste. What you want? Different color. Mouse, MOUSE. Mouse, VE. Let's verify that. Oh, small letter. LEAVE. On mouse leave, what I want color should be not red. I want color should be white as normal. So let's see. Mouse over is there. Let's see what it going to do. See, it is in background color white, but we can't see. Put that cursor. It become red. What happened? Yeah. So now it become white. It become red. It become white. It become red. It become white. Got it? How it working? Means when we putting cursor, it calling that function. When we going mouse leave, that time it calling the white function. Got it? So these different properties are working. You can call simultaneously also. Means on same function. Clear? So this way we can do different property. If you want on key
Sir.
up, yeah. Yes.
In H1, please. Using a div.
1 second. Who is on unmute? Only Abhishek. Abhishek, are you using two devices?
Yes, sir.
Unmute second one. Put the speaker also for mute. Now we speak. So this was actually event. You have many events, okay? You can check that. You will get the idea. Check in console. You will get many events. Like for keyboard functionality, okay? Key up, key down. Yeah, Abhishek, whatever you have dot, speak. Otherwise, write in chat. Just mute and means put the speaker means on the silent. So see on, put that on and see that what are the functions you getting on abort, on print, on. These all on is like that event itself. So we can write this means this much events are there. So what we had done on focus is also event means when you blinking the input field that time means whatever. What is this, sir? H1 using inside div. See, H1 using inside div, it's not the problem because we are adding the function inside that H1. Pass inside div. What is the issue? No issue because
Both are blocked.
both are block level and we added the event over this one. But if you want in after means on div, you can do that. Cut this event and pass it with this one. I want inline. You want inline? Do then CSS. Don't tell me. You can do CSS. You can use, you can see this. I added now my event is working with the div section. Fine. You want inline, wait, do one thing. Then why you told div? Man, you have to tell a span. Remove this also. Okay, so now a span. So let's move. If you putting cursor, it's not working. But when you will move cursor over this, see, it came red. Move cursor on the mouse leaf, came white. Then this, fine. See this, in this area, it's not working because the block leaf means inline element, span. But when you putting cursor, it will work. Move cursor over this, it will work. Fine. Had you got idea? So this way, there are different events. You can check that all event one by one. You can use somewhat like keyboard event is there. Then on page load, when page is loading, one on load is there, the browser. So see in the W3 school or here itself, you will get all the list. Like see, this all lists are available. What all events JavaScript have. See this list. You not have to worry how much. See this. This all are going event itself. Okay. You can use whatever. Then DOM property. This is all our keyboard list means a keyboard. Alt key, then animation name, bubbles, button, cancel. Suppose when you go getting that prompt message and you are canceling that one. So that time also it will work. Some event is there. Okay. So this way we can add the event. Now let's summarize our topic. Oh my God, it get cancelled. Don't worry, I will not give a single minute rest. It is available in history. I will get that within a second. Who is sleeping? Anyone sleeping? If you sleeping, then sleep. That will be good actually. Sleeping is good for health.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. सही बात.
Yeah. So,
Sir,
okay.
then you
So,
also sleep, sir, that your health will be safe.
correct. I will also go. Okay. So see what we had done. We had summarized with the events. Okay. So these are all means there are few events which will be useful. So you can check that how we can use change event like alt was there. Then we had shown different types of property, how they are working accordingly. So you can check. You can do somewhat on the keyboard event. Okay. Like see that on key down. which key down it will work? On which one? When we press keyboard, on which key button it will work? Shivani, any idea? Sweta, any idea?
Sir, what is the question?
She is completely sleeping. Sleep.
No,
Don't
sir.
disturb per person. So question is that
No, sir.
this is on key down. Correct? This is a
Yes, sir.
keyboard event.
Sir, keyboard in keyboard down button
Yeah.
below
So
shift.
in keyboard, yeah. So keyboard button is there, 4 button, up, down, left, right. So with the help of key down, it will work. Okay. Then key up is there. Then when this on load will work? When that page is loading, means the that time this on load will work. What I want on load alert message have to show right here itself. Just a simple alert. I will pass welcome to my page. Fine. Let's save and let's see. Oh, page not loaded. Open server. So see, suddenly you will get a message, welcome to my page. When you got it, once the page got loaded, suddenly you getting that one. Why? Because we had added the method, means event. What is that? On load. Clear or not? So there are different property. What you have to do? I don't know how to design that one, but you have to click on the body and you have to change the color. As much you will click, color will be changed. Like that you have to do. You do one thing. You have to count how much time you had click. Got my point? You will add one button. Just see. Add this button and click. Fine. See the question. Don't ask me tomorrow. What is the question? Okay. Otherwise I will forget. Now you sleeping. Tomorrow I will sleep. Question is this.
So
Calculate
what is the
count
use of on mouse level?
on mouse. On mouse leave.
On mouse leave.
Dharminder, you are sleeping. Sleep. Tomorrow I will tell you. Dharminder, when you leaving the mouse from up, means above the text. Okay. That time that is working.
Yes, sir.
See, when we moving the cursor over, it means when we moving cursor over mouse, we got the red color. Okay. We getting the red
Yes,
color.
sir.
Once you will put the mouse
Yes,
over
sir.
this mouse leave, it will not do anything. But when you are leaving the mouse, see, suddenly you will, 1 second. Let me stop the console first. Yeah. When you moving the cursor over the mouse, it become the white because the mouse leave. Here you putting the mouse over that means mouse over. But here mouse, see,
Okay,
my
sir.
mouse is over this, but it's not working. Once you moving the mouse, suddenly you will get change the color. See, because up to
Okay,
here
sir.
mouse is there. Got it? So the assignment is you have to count the click. Means now I don't know how you will do, but you have to do. Like I going to write log, fine, and 1. That's it. Let it to be. This is a hard coded value. Fine. So if I will click, it will press 1. Why it not pressed? Function not called. Oh, Event we had not on. Now you are in the stage where you can do much and much activity because we covered 50% of JavaScript. Maybe somebody will think within 5 days you completed. So see, when we clicked, we got one count 1. Okay, you have to show that how much time you had clicked this. What it's showing now? See, getting this? How much time it clicked?
23.
23 time. So you have to not show the count. You have to increase that number also. 1. Got it? 1 plus 2 plus 3, like that way you have to increase that value. First it will be like 1, then on second count it value will be 2, then next count 3, like that way you have to move. Like now 23 means the number have to show there 23. Got it? That's that one you have to do. Clear? So, and one more thing. You have to you have to make one that click event. On that you will click, wait, you will click the mouse and you have to change the background color of the body. As much you will click, the color will be different have to come. Got my point? Now I will add one color. Just wait. How to get the color, background color? Document dot get element by ID, and which color I want? Body color, means ID is the body, correct? Write down the assignment whatever I giving. There is 3-4 assignment. All are related with the function. Dot style dot background Amardeep, TCS is opening the office or not?
No, sir.
No.
This is not opening. They are giving options to work from home, sir. So from whom you are
Permanent.
not on, if you not want to work from, yeah, permanent, sir. TCS is thinking at from 2025 they will give everyone 70% of the workforce from work from home.
Great. Enjoy that work from home.
And the office in which I was working, that office lease is over. So ultimately I will not go.
Correct. Good. So see what we will do. We will click and we will look over the mouse click, how much time it clicked. So it clicked one time, color become red. Now it clicking second, color have to something. Then again something, color have to something. Like when how much time you clicking, color have to, the body color have to change. Got the question? This is night time, means night assignment. It will skip like night.
I can't get it.
Sir, again, sir. Yes, sir, again.
I had told that be careful. Tomorrow I want this assignment during discussion time itself. So see, first assignment.
Okay,
Write
sir.
down in your note. First, write down in your notebook. I will tell you. First, you have to show the click count. How much time you clicking? Like one, it's shown that one. It's shown in the console one. You have to show there 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's showing 2, but that is actually not changing the value. You have to change the value. Got it? You have to change the value. Now this circle, this is coming like 4. So in the here you have to show that 4. This 4 is actually click. So you have to show the data also like that way. So it have to show 4. When you clicking 5, now it have to 5. Got it? First assignment. Clear?
So instead of 1, that count will be increased.
Yeah. So it have to increase 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like that way. Clear? Everyone?
Yes,
Shivani?
sir. Yes, sir.
Clear?
No, sir.
Go next. No. Dharmender, are
Yes,
you
sir.
okay? Are
No,
you
sir, I'm
getting or
not
not?
clear, sir. No,
Not
sir, I
clear.
can't get, sir.
See, we collect this.
धर्मेंद्र
What
की
is the
आवाज
value?
से लग रहा है कि वो सोया हुआ है.
वो पक्का सो रहा है. Dharmender, what is the value now?
Yes, sir.
What is
1,
value?
sir.
God, what is value
लिख
then?
रहा
Yes,
है.
sir.
So
1, sir.
What is value? Value is 1. What is value now?
2,
Tell 2.
sir.
Tell 2. Correct.
सर इसका तार छोटा सर.
Dharmender, value is 1.
Sir,
But
but
this
1 is
click.
not changed, sir.
Yeah,
धर्मेंद्र
wait.
तुम आज शिवरात्रि मनाओ.
1 is not changing, but you have to change that. Okay.
That is
the task.
yes.
Now
That
see
is
the
Okay,
task.
sir. Okay, sir, I can, sir. Okay, sir, I can.
Sir,
Got it?
we can call
Yeah.
the function again and again. We can do that.
Yeah. So this value changing. Fine. Next. And let me do. See what you have to do. You have to call
And
this
every
function.
after every click, the color will change, sir.
Just to pass this function again. That's it. But this value will not increase.
Amardeep, why you are making complicated, bro? Once you click,
That's-
value will be
See what
I can do after every click, color should change, sir.
Amardeep.
Yes.
Amardeep,
make
see.
make it complicated. No.
See this. It automatic going on. Now wait. A Stack Overflow will come. See what happened. We had
So you
clicked one
made
time
the loop.
and automatic this function call is going on. That is the thing. Okay.
Sir, actually, Amardeep, what
No,
thinking?
sir,
He is in Indiana. Is not going to make task.
You have to add value. You are just using the.
Sir, stop, sir. You noticed your fan is going on.
Okay. Yeah. I just stopped that. Okay. So first assignment to show that. Clear? The click count 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Second assignment. You have to change the color of the background. Now it's showing that background color. When I clicking one time, it's showing red. Now if I will click second time, the color have to change. Anything, color have to change. Again you clicking, color have to change. Then color again. Means as you clicking, color will change. Got it? Got it or not? For that actually.
Sir, after every click, different color, sir.
Yeah, different color will.
Amardeep, don't go deeply, bro.
See, I telling you which value will work there. It will not take like this one, red and yellow or. My God, what happened? Red. Yeah, fine. Why this not coming? What is mistake? Oh, sorry. Now we pass the color like this way. Okay. If you have to change different color, you not have to change this one. You have to go with the hexa value, RGBA, this one. Different. Got it? Because once you will change this value, suddenly color will change. Means if you will change any value. So go with hexa value. To pass a hexadecimal value. Has take anything. It giving black. Now it given something. Yeah, it given something. Correct. So this way you will change the value. Means suppose that last value, just change this. Take 5. We got something blue. Take 6. Be getting something. Then take 9. Be getting something. Then something. Then like this way you will change the value. Got it? See.
So that value will be changed by hard code. Yeah, once we click, then only that color will change.
On click. Yeah, on clicking.
Superb.
Who will sit and click this? Who will sit and change this value from the code? Who will do this thing? Got it, Shivani? Don't sleep now, otherwise tomorrow you can't
नहीं
sleep.
सर जगह पे हैं सर.
हाँ, तो फिर सही है. Sweta, had you got?
Data is not present, sir, in the class.
So this thing you have to change. Okay. So 2 assignment. Next, third assignment. Whatever input form you had
Sir.
designed, just wait. Whatever input
Sir.
form you had designed, okay, you have to add function and you have to take all the data from the input form and you have to
In
show in the
console.
console. Okay.
Okay.
Already we had seen these all things. Nothing is there. Just you will make one function, one click event, and you will take all the form data.
Yeah, we
Got
can
it?
copy paste again and again and again. Only change the type.
Yeah. Just you have to change the type ID or name on type. Already see, no need of create HTML form. Already you have the HTML form in your code. Wait, I showing you. Which form have? Who have the form? Anyone? Who had make form while HTML? No one. Shivani, had you make Sweta?
Me, sir.
Okay, Dharmender, where is that? Yeah. You have idea where is the project folder?
HTML, sir, in HTML.
HTML, okay. Where? Maybe in the last, I think, sure.
Date.
Day 8, okay. Had you make the index.html file? So we can get easily. I had told that na navigation bar. Okay, anyway, you had make
Yes,
in day 8.
sir,
Yeah,
again,
input
but-
type. Fine. So see, he had make this file. So already you have the form, but don't take this much form, man. You taken all HTML format, input type. Okay, so you had
Yes, sir.
already designed that form. So take that form and use that one. Make one function and take all the field value. Got it, everyone? So no need to create the form. Whatever you had done, copy paste the code. I have that. I don't know where that will be. That was in batch 2. Where is that? HTML. This is first actually. Then in CSS we had seen. This one. Yeah. Open with live server. Yeah, this one was HTML. Don't copy paste from my form itself. Okay. So this one is the form. Here we had taken all the fields. You also have to take like all the fields. Okay. And then modify that, take all the data. Wait, let me uncomment. Had you got the idea or not?
Yes, sir.
If you
Yes, sir.
not
We
got,
already.
got that? Fine.
Yes, sir.
If
As
you not,
simple as
then
that.
no need to design this form again. We already done that. Why we will go again?
We only create ID in HTML and we have to write the function in JS code.
Yeah, that's it. Just make the means uncomment or comment the code whatever you want properly, and after that just make that ID function that all. That's why we had designed the form that time itself, so we can use it. And we will again use the same thing in the Angular concept. Okay, so no need to do any extra work over this. Okay, everyone got that or not?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Fine. So this is the task, and who all had not completed HTML, please try to, means not HTML, sorry, that function. Who all had not completed, try to complete that. So we can perform more and more, because now whatever is there, only function. Anyone who having doubt in function still? Anyone? Please speak openly. That's not an issue, because if you have doubt, then you will get complicated slowly. That's why. Who have doubt still? Anyone? Abhishek, you have any issue in function now also? Amardeep, had you gone through video? Amardeep, if you have not gone, then just go through the video. You will get clear. Okay. Dharmender, you have not issue. Okay. Then approach.
The business question. So I
Yes, sir.
done the review part. I will make the notes and I will send you tomorrow, sir.
Okay, okay. And you can go through the material itself, whatever we had sent.
Can I leave, sir?
Because
It's time.
okay, okay. No issue. It get completed anyway. So, yeah, Afroz, had you gone through the video material, everything?
Sir, today I not gone, sir, because I was busy.
See, Afroz, I will tell one thing. If you are busy now, you will be busy in the Angular too much. That I will tell the real thing, okay? It's not like I requesting you or this, that. Let me stop recording.